Alright, so we are going to be unboxing my new gun. It is a Glock 43 9mm, and it comes with your lock, a cleaning tool, the other part of the cleaning tool, a loader, and 2 mags, and then the gun. This one is new, and I got the blue label. That's why the label right here is blue. In case you didn't know, they have different labels. All it is different prices. And I paid $407.55 total. We're going to be shooting it real quick just to make sure everything works good. We're going to be using the Blazer Brass 9mm Luger 115 Full Metal Jacket, just because it's a real cheap round, and we're just going to go out there and shoot. Here it is. You can see it's got it needs cleaned. We're going to go shoot it first though. Alright, and then this is my other 43 right here. I've had this one for about 2 years now. I really like it, and I've done a bunch to it, and I wanted to spend $400. Obviously I like it. I just bought another one for $400. But basically, one is going to be for me, and then one is going to be for my wife for a carry gun, so that way I can feel comfortable with her and what she carries. So let's go out there and shoot it. Of course, in the box you also got all your paperwork, your spent rounds, and all that. So we're going to go ahead and shoot. I'm going to shoot the new gun first, and then I'm going to do a mag exchange, and then shoot my my other Glock 43 that's 2 years old. Alright, let's go check out the targets real quick. So basically I aimed at this right one over here. This one. So these were all my first shots with that gun. And we are about, I want to say about 25 feet away. So they're all right there. And doesn't look like I had any misses. These are my gun, which I've had for a while. So I'm not even going to adjust the sights, because that's probably me right there making those mistakes. Alright, so that is unboxing and first shots of the new Glock 43.